Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Netflix account and device are ready. Install and sign in to a VPN that lists streaming servers. This matters because Netflix blocks many IP ranges. Once installed, pick a nearby streaming-optimized server to reduce buffering. Make sure to disable other proxy or DNS services first so they do not conflict. If you use a router app, log in there. Otherwise, open the VPN app on the device and get ready to change regions. Next, select the country whose Netflix catalog you want. You want a streaming-optimized server or one specifically labeled for Netflix to avoid blocks. Once connected, clear the Netflix app cache or open a private browser window to avoid location artifacts. Then load a show exclusive to that region. Start one short episode to check playback. If it fails, switch to another streaming server in the same country. Different IP pools behave differently. Then retry playback immediately. To finish, lock in the best server by testing several titles and confirming consistent playback. Make sure your VPN app is updated and use a stable connection to prevent stuttering. Once done watching, disconnect or switch back to your home region to avoid account confusion. If Netflix shows an error or proxy message, don't panic. Switch to a different streaming server, enable obfuscation or dedicated IP if your provider offers it, and reload. That single change usually resolves blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.